Chemistry, Class 10th, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, page number 15 NCERT, question number 9. Question number 9 says, what does one mean by endothermic and exothermic reactions? Give examples. Endothermic reaction means any reaction in which heat is absorbed. Endothermic means heat is absorbed. So we can say absorption of heat takes place. So example, CaCO3 when heated means if we don't supply heat, reaction will not proceed. So it becomes CaO plus CO2. So this is an example of endothermic reaction. Now exothermic. Exothermic reaction means any reaction in which heat is evolved. So we can say evolution of heat. So example, suppose CaO plus H2O, it gives CaOH whole twice and heat is released. So this is an example of exothermic reaction. Now let's take next question, question number 10. Question number 10 says, why is respiration considered an exothermic reaction? Explain. So answer to this question is, we know that during respiration, the air we breathe oxidizes the glucose and fatty acids that are formed due to the digestion. The products of this oxidation are CO2, H2O, and heat. So that is why, since heat is evolved, so we say that this is an exothermic reaction. So we can write the equation like glucose C6 H12O6 plus oxygen that we breathe. So we can write from air, and then it gives 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus heat. So I think you must have understood why respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 की बात करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 says, why are decomposition reactions called the opposite of combination reactions? So it's obvious, decomposition means breaking. So suppose we have CaCO3, and if we heat it, it will break into CaO plus CO2. So this is an example of decomposition reaction, and reverse of it happens in case of combination reaction, like H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. So in case of decomposition, reactant is single and products may be 2 or more. In case of combination, there will be 2 or more reactants and product will be 1. Now let's go to question number 12. Question number 12 says, give one equation each for decomposition reactions where energy is supplied in form of heat, light or electricity. So question number 12. So we consider first heat. So we can take example like calcium carbonate. If we heat it, so it breaks into CaO plus CO2. We consider second case light, that is photochemical reaction. So we can take example like AgBr solid when exposed to sunlight, it gives Ag plus Br2. So here if we balance it, so we have to put 2 here and 2 here. And then next one is electricity. So we can take example like electrolysis of water. So H2O, when electric current is passed through it, electric current, it gives H2 plus O2. We can balance it by putting 2 here and 2 here. So now question number 13. What is difference between displacement and double displacement? In displacement reaction, more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution, like Fe solid and plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. This is aqueous and this is also aqueous. So here Fe being more reactive displaces Cu from its salt solution. And if we consider double displacement reaction, it means there will be ionic exchange. So double displacement reaction. Here we can write like examples AgNO3 plus AgNO3 we take in aqueous form plus NaCl aqueous gives AgCl in solid form which is settled in the bottom and NaNO3 which remains in aqueous form. Now if we check, so we will find that there is ionic exchange. We write ions Ag single plus, NO3 single minus, Na single plus, Cl single minus. So what happens? Positive of this first one combines with negative of second, and positive of second combines with negative of first, and hence the product. So Ag has combined with Cl, so AgCl, and Na has combined with NO3, so NaNO3. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। अगला क्वेश्चन हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे। तब तक थैंक यू।